In today's fast-paced world, customers demand instant access to information. Are you giving them what they need? Introducing the Product PDF and File Downloads app. Now you can effortlessly enhance your customer experience by providing downloadable files directly on your product pages. Upload any file type, PDFs, Excel sheets, Word documents, videos, you name it, all from one centralized dashboard. The app is available on the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Installing the app on Wix is quick and easy. Simply navigate to the product page, click on an empty area and select the Plugins button, then locate the PDF and File Downloads and click Add. Before proceeding, let's click Save and Publish to update the site. To start adding files to your products, let's head to the App dashboard in the Widget settings. Here you can see all of your products under the field Product Name. To add a file to this product, simply click on Add Files, and you can easily upload the file from your computer. The file has been uploaded successfully. Let's see how it looks on the product page on the live site. You can also add files to multiple products at the same time. Let us upload a PDF file to all our products to show the certificate of authenticity. Just like that, with a few clicks, all of our products have the certificate PDF file added. To delete a file from a product, simply click here to view uploaded files and then click on Delete. Now let's go back to the editor. Make sure to click on the Refresh Widget button to see the widget content updated. We can customize our widget further, like hiding the title here, or choosing from different templates or design options. We can also change the text here. Let's make it italic. Lastly, don't forget to save and publish your site to apply the changes. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. It helps immensely. And feel free to reach out if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching.